murder one of y'all niggas.
On your mind. On your mind.
Get the murder one of y'all niggas.
On your mind. On your
Bitches
mind.
snatch the shirt off one of y'all niggas.
On your mind. On your mind.
Kick dirt.
Bless the people with magnificent wordplay. On sight killing niggas with this lyrical word spray. Many followers, I'm the devil in shepherd's clothing, leading humanity astray. False teachings, their own mother they betray, and their family they slay. Afterwards, a physical body I fillet, mixing in my protein shake with whey. The godlike devil is what's before your face. I come to display myself in time delay, to instill the fear to every military tier. I'm the last samurai on the western frontier. Pull my sword out the seas for its premiere. Next to the god you niggas are just mere. Step up to the saloon, chokehold the cashier. Flee through the alley with more cash than you make in a fucking year. Ride off into the sunset, blowing chocolate tie. If you're my ally and don't comply, then your next heartbeat's request I will deny. World War II status, Novocaine amphetamines for my battle cry.